A shortage of tests for COVID-19 in our area means only patients with moderate to severe symptoms and underlying health concerns will be tested for the virus by the Cincinnati Health Department. Hospitals are also being overwhelmed with referrals for tests, so much that some smaller independent primary care doctors say they don't know where to send patients who need a test. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan spent the day digging for answers.
Public health experts are all saying the same thing. If you think you have symptoms of COVID-19, to call your primary care physician. Here in the tri-state, you need a doctor's order to get tested for the virus. But there is some confusion about what happens if your primary care doctor isn't connected directly to a testing site. UC Health originally opened drive-through testing Tuesday and made it available to any person with orders from a doctor to be tested. But just hours later, the healthcare provider had to limit testing to only those patients referred by a UC Health physician's office. The Christ Hospital also was originally testing patients referred by any doctor, but a shortage of tests has the hospital shutting down its only testing site today, and it was only testing its own patients as it prepared to close. TriHealth and Cincinnati Children's can also test for COVID-19, but are limiting tests to patients in their hospitals or referred by their own doctors. One option for people who see an independent primary care doctor is St. Elizabeth Healthcare. Any doctor can call St. E and get help determining if a test is needed and schedule a test for their patient. The Cincinnati Health Department told me smaller primary care doctors also have the option of ordering COVID-19 tests through private labs. But one independent office I spoke to today says it does not have enough personal protective equipment or the necessary procedures in place to safely take test samples for an infectious disease like COVID-19. Those private labs are not letting patients go to them for in-person testing. I shared these concerns with the Cincinnati Health Department, and its recommendation to the public was to discuss symptoms and go over options with a primary care doctor associated with a hospital. Reporting at UC Medical Center, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.